What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Before the video starts, be sure to leave a like on the video and drop a comment down below if you guys want to see more content, because I'm definitely going to be filming more. I'm with the homie Adam and his 350Z. It's super sick, and maybe one of these videos I'll like feature his car and do like a POV drive on it. In today's video, we're going to go on a cruise, me and him. He was in the area and I told him to pull up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just gassed up. We got a couple snacks from the gas station and we're about to head out. We're gonna go to a secret location and it's super sick. It's off of some water and it's just like some legendary views pretty much. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. Small update. I got a Nismo exhaust. I got new wheels. Adam actually got aftermarket wheels and he sold me these off of his car. So these were his old wheels. Shout out Adam. Oh, I got HR taillights. I traded my friend straight trade for DE taillights, so I got HR taillights, the LEDs, straight trade. And if you guys know, these go for like 500 for both, so I got a super good deal on that. But Z's looking nice and it's perfect weather for a drive, so let's get it. Any last words, Adam? No, I already asked you.
Ready.
Okay. Born ready?
Born ready.
I might put that in the all right. Sheesh. Got that mango refresher. Okay, okay. Hold up. Let me open the door. I actually just cleaned my car. It's like spotless. The best thing, probably my favorite thing about my car, is it has this cup holder in the dash. And it's so cool because you can sit your drink up like that, and it's kind of like JDM as fuck, you know what I mean? I got these little like beef thingies, whatever. Cool. Let's start her up. So I'll probably tell you guys, before I put that Nismo exhaust on, I had a muffler delete, and actually the muffler delete sounded a lot louder. So I'll roll my window down and you guys can hear startup. It's super quiet. Listen. Adam just started his car. So yeah, like I said, the Nismo exhaust, it looks so much better, and it has a different tone, but it's definitely more quiet, and I want to be a little bit louder, so I'm probably going to cut one of the resonators out, because when you guys hear me drive, you won't hear me drive. That's pretty much the point. Hopefully we are recording. Hopefully I got the angle. Sometimes I'll like record a video and I don't have the correct angle on my GoPro and the whole video is trashed. We would take a left, but I'm gonna go right because there's a freaking Miata, and you always have to, you know, when you see a Miata, you have to admire it, you know? That one's, I think a girl owns it. It has like a heart on it. So we're gonna pull out of here, bust an illegal Yui. Oh, there's these speed bumps, I forget. Fuck. Love that. Dude, I love the color of Adam's car. That's probably, all the 350Z colors, that's probably my top 3 or 4. I know my favorite color is Pikes Peak White, the pearl white from Nissan. I also like Sunset Le Mans Orange, and I also like Daytona Blue Metallic. But then after that, I'll probably say the Interlagos Fire. His color is so sick. My car is so basic and generic. It's silver. Nissan, for the 350Z, they have like 4 different iterations of silver. I have the coolest version of the silver, but it's still silver. My color is, what is it again? I'm drawing a blank right now. Oh, there's some motorcycle dudes. That's sweet. I want a bike so bad, but it's so dangerous. Yo. What's my color called? I would say, like, to give you kind of a reference, Interlagos Fire is like the R34's Midnight Purple, you know? Because his paint color shifts. It's like maybe 2 or 3 different colors, which is super sick. But I'm hungry. Guys, I haven't eaten all day. I was working, and sometimes you just don't got time to eat. downshifts every time. I think I can make it. Yeah, we can make it. I'm still thinking of my color. Now it's bothering me. Let's put this other window down. We did the bumper tuck on his car. Oh yeah, I have a bumper tuck. I forgot to mention that. We did that on my car. But we also did it on his. And I said it last video, but I'll say it again. I recommend the bumper tuck. Every Z owner does it because it just makes your car look so much more aggressive, and you can have a lot more clearance for running whatever type of exhaust you want to run. But yeah, it's cool. You can see the diff, you can see all the bracing. It's pretty sick. His car is like the perfect tone. It's not obnoxious and it's not raspy. He wants his car to be louder, and I'm trying to tell him, like, bro, you got the perfect tone, but you know how Z owners are, you know. Ooh, we got this nice road over here. I think this road is brand new. Damn. Well, the roads were good while they lasted, I guess. Handles so well, and my bushings are pretty shot, so the fact that, damn, this person's all over the road, the fact that my car still corners really solid for, you know, worn out suspension, I'm impressed. Oh, there's another Miata. Dude, that one was so mint. Look at the view, guys. It's kind of crazy. Woo. Damn, that was so close. That Jeep was wide. I was like in between touching the curb and touching his wheels. Love that. Oh my God. Damn, the ocean is literally like 10 feet away. Dude, look at this turn. This is insane. Oh my God. Check this part out, guys. This is sick. Watch out, my guy. Oh, hell no. Oh shit, the water's gonna splash me. Alright. Oh. Yeah, let's just wait. Holy shit, guys. Dude. So this is the spot. And as you guys can see, the water is like crashing so hard that it's like getting all the way up here. Oh shit, that's crazy. Dude, isn't this sick? You gotta pee? Yeah. Oh hell no. Dude, you're actually closer to the side than I am. All right, I couldn't show you guys exactly where this is, but this is the spot. Damn. What do you think, Adam? Pretty sick?
Pretty.
This is crazy, guys. Literally, on the left, there's $1 million private mansions, and then on the right, it's just ocean. And we got our Z's here, you know? Right by the water, literally. Like maybe 20 feet from the water. And if you go more down that end, the water can like touch the car. Oh shit. This is crazy, bro. You got to take a video of like your car with the water and.
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Let me see. All right, guys. Me and Adam, we shot a couple reels, and we're ready to head out. It's getting pretty dark, and the waves are getting pretty intense. All that said, we're gonna slide out of here now. I want to roll this window down, but my car is gonna get soaked. We are definitely gonna have to drive on the left side. Oh shit, dude, look at the waves over there. That's insane. I need to record that on my phone, but my phone is uploading something right now. Dude, look at that house. Chee! I wish. But yeah, guys, this is the spot, secret location. If you guys are from my area, comment down below if you know this spot. It's super sick. This is making me super nervous. Yeah, should we just full send it, or should we just kind of like, yeah, Adam's like all the way to, oh my god, we gotta send it, bro. I don't want to get the car wet. Oh shit, dude, I feel like we're gonna get soaked. Oh shit. Oh, I think we're safe. I think we're safe. I think we're good. That is insane, guys. Oh fuck. As beautiful as these houses are, I don't know if I'd live right on the water, because that's just regular, you know, just a regular day. But imagine like a freaking hurricane. And these roads are super tight. I think it's safe to say we can put our window down now. I'll record like sliding out of here, and probably the next clip will be at the meet, so I'll close the video out there, but show you guys some cool cars if there are any. Look at this. This is freaking sick. Right by the water, guys. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god, that was way too close. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, Adam has underglow, bro. It looks so nice. Could be me, but I'm playing games, right?
Yeah, $300 underglow.
Oh shit, I don't know about all that, dog. Even the Honda's got underglow, bro. What the fuck? Damn, Adam. You wish you were him? No? You're happy with what you got?
I'd keep my Z over this.
That's an unpopular opinion, bro. This is nice. Look at that, though.
In the Z3.
In the what the hell? What the hell? Wide bodies. Bro, look at the color on this BMW. That's insane. Is this a respray? I've never seen a BMW in this color. Is this factory? No way. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Okay. Wow. This is fire. This is almost better than the Supra, like almost. And then a Volvo wagon. Okay. I really know nothing about these, but this is, I like the shape of them. But this is clean, bro. He's on the works. Dude, the hood fucking slaps. Damn, he drips it too.